कार चोरयेक गेल्ल्याची कागोळी केल्ली पूण पुलिशेन काय ती कार सोदून दिली ना। रस्त्यावेल्यान वतना जाण्टेल्यांच्या शेजाऱ्याक एक बायल चोरयेक गेल्ली कार घेवन भोंवतना सापडली। तिका आडावन विचारल्यार ती बायल गाळयो मारपाक लागली। आंगार धांवन आयली। सुमार 1.5 वरभर रस्त्यार धुमचणा। ती बायल गाडयेंतल्यान भायर देवपाक तयार नाशिल्ली। तिका भायर काडून पुलिसांक नाका पुरो जालें। निमणे पिंक फोर्साक आपोवचे पडले। थळावे लोकूय जमले। निमणे तिका गाडयेंतली भायर काडली आनी तिका ताब्यांत घेतली।
गेल्ली गाडी आमल्यान गेल्ले कोलवा पुलीस स्टेशनाक कोलवा पुलीस कांय एक्शन घेल ना ही गाडी आमगे शेजऱ्याची सिनियर सिटीजन दोगांय हिंगा घरा हांवें चाय घेवन
It's a shame that we are staying in this state, you know. She has robbed this car last night from my neighbors, 85 years old. We have made a police complaint. 25 people have signed on that complaint that she's a threat to us.
Today evening around 10 o'clock we found out the car. Still Kolwa police didn't send anybody. We found car in with the lady driving here. This is the second complaint of Reliance Park resident. 30 people have signed that she is a threat to the Reliance Park.
So today what happened here? There was an accident.
She is roaming with the car and police is still not able to find the car and we have found the car.
This guy had this hand. It's hurting me!
बरे वाजा या भितर
चावी कोणाक दिली हांवें मोबायल दी चल येता येता ए चावी कोणाक दिली चल यो 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 तुझ्यावर मारता यो
मैडम थैंक यू
लॉकर फाटला लॉकर भाई लॉकर फाटला उडी मारते
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस।